We're at Surfside, part of the Endless Summer Resorts, part of Universal Studios Endless Summer Resorts, just on International Drive. We usually stay at Dockside, but today we thought we'd show you guys what Surfside was all about. And the rooms are a little bit different from what we can remember when we stayed here right just after it was built a few years ago. This is a much smaller hotel, Surfside is, than compared to Dockside. So we're in Tower 1, floor 8, and I'll show you the room. So as you come in through the door, you've got a full-length mirror there, excuse all the luggage that we've got, with these handy hooks. The difference is as soon as we walked in we noticed you don't need your cards. You don't need to put your cards in to put the electricity on in this. So as you come in, you've got this area here. Now this is, I think this is all the hanging space you have there, which is fine for us. We're actually only here for 2 nights. And a little ironing board there, that's cute. And a safe, an extra pillow up there, and an iron there, and a luggage rack. Oh, you have got additional hanging space here, which is good as well. And then the bathroom is absolutely huge. Can't remember it being this big, but I don't know whether they're all this size, but it is really a big size bathroom. It's a lot of space here. So we've got the surf and sand, shampoo, conditioner and soap in there. I'm not sure whether it's a disabled room or not, being this big actually. I really don't know. And this, excellent, we've got one that works this time to hang up wet clothes. So that's the shower area with a nice bath in. It does look as if it's a disabled access room because you've got these there. And then here you've got a hairdryer and some facial tissues, some facial soap, a nice toilet there. I just don't like the fact, oh, it's soft clothes as well. Don't like the fact they leave the toilet seat open. It's one of my bugbears. Plenty of towels, which is really nice. Do they have a hook on the back of the door? No hook on the back of the door this time. We have a room with an adjoining door, and then here we've got 2 beds. We can have one each. And we've got a pandy in this room. So. And then you have this, it's a bedside table. This does not open. We've tried plenty of times in Dockside and Surfside. An alarm clock, the time is currently 12:50. They did let me check in early. And then you've got these handy lights above the bed. There, some artwork on the wall. No surfboard in this one. And then TV. Handy stool, waste paper bin, coffee making facilities here, the coffee machine here, an ice bucket, 3 handy drawers there, and a refrigerator, if I can't open it. Oh, refrigerator there, which is on. We have some beers to go in there actually. There you go. USBs, there's some ports there and some plug sockets there. A lamp, handy lamp, and there you go. So that's our room. They've actually given us, we didn't pay for a pool view, but they've actually given us a pool view, which is really nice. So that's the only pool here in Surfside, and they've got the sandbar there as well. That is the only bar as well here. So and a beautiful lake in the background. So yeah, we're really happy with this room. They also have 2 bedroom suites here, but obviously there's more over at Dockside because that's a bigger hotel. So oh, there's no microwave where We normally have an extra sink and a microwave in a 2-bedroom suite, but yeah, I'm really happy, and especially now the fridge is being stocked, about time. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you soon. Bye.